guys, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm back with my final bead subscription box for the month of August 2018. This one is from Blueberry Cove Beads, and it is another monthly bead subscription box. This one costs $22 a month, and the shipping on it to the U.S. is $5, $3.50 shipping to Canada, and $8.50 shipping internationally. And this will probably be the final Blueberry Cove box that I open for you all. It was a 3-month gift subscription from my husband, and I already subscribed to several other boxes at this point, and I just cannot really afford to do another one. So anyway, we will enjoy this one and see what's inside. I have no idea. Just like the other bead subscriptions that I unboxed for you guys, it always has a monthly theme. Here's the postcard that we have, and I'm going to take a look. It says, "Be kind to the bees. Bees are wonderful creatures. They do so much for us, but the bee population is struggling, and it would be a tragedy to lose such a wonderful and important creature. While you're making bee-inspired jewelry, think of helping the wee furry guys." So I can see that our theme for this box is probably going to have to do with bees. So that's interesting. Let's take a look. Okay. Alright. Some pretty items. You know, I don't have a list, unfortunately, of what is included in this box, which is what I would really, really like to have, and that's a comment that I had made before on my 2 previous unboxing videos, because I really cannot share with you guys the specifics of what is in here, unfortunately, because I don't have the names of these items for you. Let's get to what's in here. I'm drawn to these flowers. These are really pretty. Of course, they feel like they're acrylic. They're some kind of a plastic. But they're pretty. I don't know, you know, what I'll do with them, particularly at this point, just looking at them jewelry-wise. You know, maybe bead around them somehow and incorporate them in a bracelet, or turn it into a pendant somehow, you know, beading around it so you don't really see the bottom area like that. But they're cute. And then we have, let's see, this strand right here. Some kind of a yellow bead, and it feels like it's glass, but it could be like an agate. It might be an agate because the colors are pretty irregular for glass, so they're probably like a dyed stone of some kind. Again, I would love to be able to tell you what these are, but I can't because I don't have a list. But these are very pretty. I do like them. They're gorgeous the way the colors are between the white and clear and different shades of yellow. So it's very nice. And then here's another strand. And these are kind of a light beige color, beige and white and clear. And, you know, again, I know they're not like plastic, but I can't really tell you what these are. And I hate to make guesses when I don't know. So then we have a strand of what looks to be 4mm Chinese crystal. And Chinese crystal bicones just don't really impress me. I can get them really inexpensively off of eBay. So, you know, while I use them, I don't really feel like they add a whole lot when I get them in subscription boxes. But, you know, there's that. And then we have these little drops, which are very pretty. And they're very, very cute. Tiny little drops. And we have some bee charms right here. So here we go. Our little bee charms. And what else do we have? I'll open for you. Some little connectors. And they're cute. I like these connectors. I think they're very unique. They definitely make a statement. Cute bright yellow. And then there's some antique brass bee charms. And some more crystal beads. So these are very pretty crystal beads. I like all the facets on them. They're very sparkly. And the shape is interesting. Okay, then we have these gorgeous crystal beads, which are very nice. I think you might consider those table cut. They're flat on each side, and they have these beautiful facets on the edges, and the holes run up and down through there. Beautiful gold color. So I do like those crystal beads. And one other little baggie I'm going to open for you guys. So this last baggie, and this is adorable. It's not really my thing. I know a lot of people love cute little insects, ladybugs, butterflies, dragonflies. It's just not my thing. I think they're cute, but it's just not what I like to wear or particularly use. And everybody has their own thing, and I think that's what makes everybody unique and special and interesting. I don't think we should all like the same things. However, I can appreciate that that is cute. And I really like this connector. I think that's unique, and it doesn't necessarily scream out honeycomb. I think it could just make for a really cool geometric, modern looking piece of jewelry incorporated in a necklace somehow, probably, or even a bracelet. So that is it, you guys, for the August Blueberry Cove bead subscription. Again, this is likely going to be my last month of, having this Blueberry Cove bead subscription, but I think that it is very important and helpful for a lot of people who might come across this subscription and wonder if this is right for you, if it's worth the money, if you like all the things you're getting in here. I do like the items, and again, not to keep harping on it, but I really feel it's important to have a list of the contents so that if you make something and you want more of something, you can go and order that again. I think that's really nice. And I personally won't be continuing this subscription just because I feel like I get a better value in other boxes that I subscribe to, and I just simply can't afford to subscribe to every single box. But it has been fun to open them and to see what's inside, and there are some really cute pieces. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys out. I hope it was fun for you to see what was in this box, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!